In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Fresha. Whether you've moved your business or need to update your details for any other reason, making sure that your location is correct is crucial for maintaining accurate business information. Let's dive in. First things first, open your web browser. It could be on your computer, tablet, or even your phone. Once you're online, navigate directly to the Fresha website. Don't forget to bookmark it if you use it often, as this can save you some precious time in the future. Once you're on the Fresha homepage, you need to log in. Enter your credentials in the login section. This typically includes your email and password. If you happen to forget your password, there's usually an option to reset it by following a few additional steps, so don't worry about getting locked out. Having logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, look for the main menu. Within this main menu, you should be able to easily spot a section labeled Settings. Head into that section. This is where you can manage all your business and account settings. Within the Settings menu, proceed to select Business Setup. This will guide you to a more detailed area where you can make specific adjustments related to your business operations. Next, you'll want to find the option that says Locations. Click on this, and it will direct you to a comprehensive list of all your business locations registered under your Fresha account. This list is essential for those who operate multiple branches or services in different regions. Moving on, to edit the desired location, first locate it in the list. Beside the location you wish to update, there will be an Actions button. Click on it to reveal more options. After you've accessed the location actions, select View to take a closer look at all the current details of the location you're focusing on. This step is an opportunity to review the existing information and ensure you know what needs updating. Once you have everything ready, hit the Edit button to pop open the editing interface. Now it's time to enter your new address details or adjust any other relevant location information, such as contact numbers or additional notes. Double-check the entries for accuracy to avoid any potential confusion later on. Finally, and this is important, make sure to click the Save button. This final action will apply all the updates to your Fresha profile. Confirming the save is crucial to make sure that all changes are recorded correctly. And that's it. You've successfully updated the location in your Fresha account. Keeping your business information up to date ensures that your customers have the best possible experience interacting with your brand. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, or comment below if you found this tutorial helpful.